Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to pay cash on delivery on Shein order. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up Shein and then log into your account if you have an account. So once I've logged into your account here, so just select any item and then add it to your cart. So simply just add an item to your cart. For example, let me add this. Okay, so just hit on add to cart so that you can get to your cart. So now what are you going to do when you get to your add to cart option here? So let me choose this, and then now hit on checkout. So I've added to my cart, so I'm going to go to the checkout session here. So when you get to your checkout session here, once you have filled in all your delivery and other details here, so under payment method here, you should see all the available payment methods for you depending on your location. So if you want to pay by cash on delivery, you'll see the cash on delivery option here if Shein's is if it's available in your region. So for example here, mine, it's not available yet in my region, but if it's available on your region, then what you can do, you can simply select that cash on delivery option and then complete these orders, complete the checkout process. So this is, as I mentioned earlier, so this is only available at certain areas and certain regions where Shein allows cash on delivery, and depending on your reseller as well. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information is helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.